Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for tax exemption. Start by confirming eligibility and whether you need federal or state exemption first. Gathering the right documents makes the filing smooth and less stressful. Start with a concise mission statement that matches your articles of incorporation and bylaws. Collect financial records, budgets, and a clear accounting of past and projected income to show operations. Prepare a narrative describing your programs and how they further the exempt purpose. Double-check that all names and addresses match across documents to avoid delays and requests for clarification. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers and reminders while you prepare paperwork. It makes busy days easier in a fun way. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if useful. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a step-by-step approach to avoid mistakes and lost time. Select the correct IRS form and carefully fill each section, explaining activities and governance clearly. Attach your supporting documents and ensure your signatures are in place. Submit payment of the required user fee and keep proof of payment. Track your filing and respond quickly to any IRS requests for additional information to keep the review moving forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.